No home button. If your iPhone has no home button, you are likely using a newer iPhone model like iPhone X, XR11, 12, 13, 14, or newer. Instead of the home button, this iPhone use gesture-based navigation, but here is how to keep the home button as well. First of all, open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Accessibility option available in there. Once you tap on the accessibility, all you have to do is scroll down again and tap on the touch option available there. Inside touch, tap on the assistive touch at the top and make sure to toggle on that switch. Once toggled on, you can see there is a circle icon available on your iPhone. Now all you have to do is tap on it and you will get to see home option available. Tap on it. That is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.